With the outbreak of COVID-19, many companies are looking for ways to monitor people entering their facilities to reduce the risk of exposure. One effective method is screening people for elevated body temperature, referred to as EBT. In this short video, we'll demonstrate multiple scenarios where integrating a thermal camera with your company's access control system can help as a first line of defense against the threat of a virus. In the first scenario, we're screening for facial recognition, EBT detection, and mask detection. In this case, their face is recognized, their body temperature is normal, and a mask is detected, therefore access is granted. The next scenario adds touchless palm recognition. Their palm is recognized, their temperature is normal, and their mask is detected, therefore access is also granted. The next scenario will show what happens when a person is not wearing a mask. Their face is recognized, the system detects that the person is not wearing a mask, and therefore access is denied. In this next example, we're screening for facial recognition and EBT detection. The system detects an elevated body temperature in this case, and therefore access is denied. Next, we'll just demonstrate the facial recognition feature. In this case, the person's face is not recognized in the database, and access is denied. The next scenario includes the integration of CareSynchrony's Sentinel terminal. In this scenario, the user checks in using the Sentinel Kiosk, and after identifying themselves, they are prompted to use the thermal camera to register their body temperature. In this case, the person has a normal temperature and is granted access. And our last example has the same scenario using the CareSynchrony Sentinel integration, but in this example, the thermal device detects an elevated body temperature and the person is not granted access. If you'd like more information about our technology, please visit the Sena-Tech website at sena-tech.com, or you can call us directly at 321-600-4990.